Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to get rid of objects in Snapseed. If you're new to Snapseed and you don't know how to get rid of objects from your photo, I'm gonna show you an easy hack to do it. So without any further ado, let's get into it. At first, open the Snapseed app on your phone. Now, click on the plus icon to add the photo that you want to edit. Now, in this photo, as you can see, there's a cloud. Now I want to remove that object from this photo. To do so, simply click on Tools and then go to Healing. Now, carefully brush over the cloud. And as you can see, we have removed the cloud from this photo. And similarly, if you want to remove something else from this photo, like the shadow or something else, you can repeat the process and remove objects from the photo. And just like that, we have removed the object in Snapseed. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.